stop what you're doing, because the digital skies have just opened up, and what's descended isn't a flock of birds but the long-rumored, much whispered, almost mythical DJI Mini 5 Pro. After months of complete radio silence from DJI, so quiet it felt like they had left Earth entirely, a real-world sighting has emerged straight from the streets of China. And no, this isn't a grainy Bigfoot-style hoax. This is the real deal, captured in unedited detail and shared by none other than trusted drone insider Jasper Ellens through Drone XL. With this leak, it's safe to say the DJI Mini 5 Pro is not only real, but also in active testing. The leaked image is powerful enough to outweigh your grandma's holiday fruitcake. Why? Because it gives us visual proof that DJI is testing the DJI Mini 5 Pro in real-world conditions. That kind of insight suggests the company is well into the development cycle and might be prepping for a summer 2025 release. Speculation points to an August or September launch window, aligning with DJI's usual product rollout patterns. Let's rewind a bit. The first murmurs of the DJI Mini 5 Pro began circulating in December, with early prototype leaks sparking excitement. But now, things have escalated from whispers to reality. Thanks to a spy shot from the streets of China, we now have a clear look at the drone, and it's obvious that DJI is refining this next-generation device. One of the first things that stands out in the leaked images is the presence of chunkier, more robust motors. This upgrade likely means more power, faster speeds, and perhaps better handling of payloads, like a larger camera module. But that raises a critical question: can DJI still keep the Mini 5 Pro under the crucial 250-gram weight limit? This weight threshold is a key factor in many countries' drone regulations, making the Mini series especially attractive to casual users and professionals alike. Keeping it under that mark, while still improving on hardware, will be a major engineering feat. And it appears DJI might be attempting to walk that tightrope with the Mini 5 Pro. Speaking of hardware, let's talk about the camera, arguably the most important feature for many drone buyers. Rumors suggest the DJI Mini 5 Pro will include a 1-inch sensor, a significant leap from the 1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This kind of upgrade would translate into vastly improved image quality, particularly in low-light situations. A larger sensor means greater light intake, better dynamic range, and sharper, more detailed photos and videos. For content creators, filmmakers, and aerial photographers, this could be a game-changing enhancement. Another confirmed feature is vertical video capture, which DJI introduced in previous models. While some might roll their eyes at TikTok or Instagram-centric shooting modes, vertical video is far from a passing trend. It's now a must-have feature for social media content creators. DJI seems to understand the shift and is doubling down on making vertical shooting easier and more effective, reducing the need for post-editing rotation. On the flight performance front, the leaks indicate a dramatic increase in both range and battery life. We're talking about a potential 25 km flight range and up to 50 minutes of battery life. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute limit, this would be a massive leap. For drone operators looking to capture sprawling landscapes or complex action sequences, this extended endurance is nothing short of a dream. It opens up new possibilities for both casual and professional users who need more time in the air. But what really makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro sound like a next-level machine is its rumored AI-powered tracking system. Imagine a drone that can follow you through dense forests, maneuver between obstacles, or keep up during high-speed sports, all while maintaining precise focus. If DJI nails this, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine solo filmmaking and autonomous tracking. This smart tracking could be a breakthrough feature, making it more practical than ever for vloggers, travel influencers, and outdoor adventurers to film themselves without assistance. Then there's the buzz around obstacle avoidance. While some reports suggest that LiDAR sensors might be part of the package, the leaked images don't show them clearly. This could mean the sensors are hidden in the chassis, or that the feature is still under development. Even if true LiDAR isn't included, expect significant improvements in collision detection and navigation through tricky environments. And here's a curveball: audio recording. That's right, leaks suggest the DJI Mini 5 Pro might include onboard audio capabilities. This is unusual for drones, which typically rely solely on visuals. But imagine capturing the ambient sound of a bustling market, waves crashing against cliffs, or even providing in-flight commentary. It's a strange but potentially powerful addition. Exactly how DJI plans to implement it, whether through internal microphones or external connectivity, remains unknown. All signs point to a late summer 2025 release, with August or September being the most likely timeframe. As for the price, don't expect a DJI Mini 5 Pro to come cheap. Given its rumored features, larger sensor, extended flight time, smarter AI, possible onboard audio, and maybe even LiDAR, it's likely to command a premium price. But for enthusiasts and professionals, it could be well worth the investment. While the DJI Mini 5 Pro steals the spotlight, it's not the only drone generating buzz. The DJI Avata 3 is also on the radar as one of the most anticipated FPV drones of the year. Building on the success of the Avata 2, the Avata 3 is rumored to push the envelope of FPV performance with major upgrades in camera quality, stabilization, and ease of use. One of the most exciting leaks around the DJI Avata 3 involves its camera. The Avata 2 already impressed users with its 1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K 60fps HDR video. The Avata 3 might go even further, possibly sporting a full 1-inch CMOS sensor. Such an upgrade would offer sharper visuals, improved low-light performance, and enhanced color depth. This is especially relevant for professional videographers seeking cinematic quality FPV footage. DJI may also introduce advanced color profiles or even raw video support for more flexible post-production workflows. Battery life is another area where DJI could step up. The Avata 2 offered a decent 23-minute flight time, but advancements in battery efficiency and power management could push the Avata 3 closer to 30 minutes. For FPV pilots, every extra minute matters, particularly during complex shoots or remote sessions where recharging is a hassle. Stabilization is key for FPV drones, and the Avata 3 is expected to push beyond the Rocksteady and Horizon Steady systems of its predecessor. A rumored addition is a mechanical gimbal, which would offer smoother footage during aggressive maneuvers and high-speed chases. Such stabilization would be a game changer for content creators who need crisp footage even in challenging flight conditions. The Avata 3 may also introduce an upgraded obstacle avoidance system. While the Avata 2 had limited detection capabilities, the new version might feature omnidirectional sensors, enabling 360-degree awareness. This would significantly reduce the risk of crashes and open up possibilities for more daring flight paths through tight or complex environments. Beginners would benefit from added safety, while professionals could tackle more dynamic filming scenarios with confidence. Another area of potential innovation is in the transmission system. The Avata 2 used DJI's O3 Plus transmission, but the Avata 3 is rumored to debut the next-gen O4 technology. This would bring sharper lift feeds, lower latency, and extended range, making the flying experience more immersive and responsive. Whether you're flying for fun or filming professionally, improved connectivity is always welcome. In terms of performance, expect faster speeds and better agility thanks to improved propulsion systems. Upgraded motors and aerodynamics could make the Avata 3 a favorite for freestyle pilots who demand precision and for filmmakers needing to track fast-moving subjects. Combined with extended battery life and better stabilization, this drone could become the go-to tool for a wide range of users. DJI is also likely to enhance user-friendly features. The Avata 3 may offer simplified controls, smarter flight modes, and AI-assisted capabilities. Think automated subject tracking, pre-programmed cinematic paths, and seamless integration with upgraded DJI Goggles 3 and the RC Motion 3 controller. These improvements would make it more accessible for newcomers while offering advanced tools for experienced pilots. No official release date has been confirmed yet, but industry insiders expect the DJI Avata 3 to launch in mid to late 2025. Given DJI's typical release cycles, this timeline fits. Pricing is speculated to range between $1,500 and $2,000 depending on the features and bundles included. In summary, DJI appears to be gearing up for a big year in 2025. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a compact powerhouse, blending portability with professional-grade features like a larger camera sensor, advanced AI, longer flight time, and even potential audio recording. Meanwhile, the DJI Avata 3 could revolutionize the FPV space with its rumored improvements in camera tech, stabilization, flight time, and obstacle avoidance. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or hobbyist, both drones promise to deliver a new level of creative freedom and technical performance. Are the leaks enough to get you excited? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates as the official reveals draw closer.